Hello and welcome to another video of my YouTube channel IT Review. I will explain again about the moving to the AWS Cloud. So at the previous video I have tell about the moving to the AWS Cloud. So now we will continue it at the business perspective. Okay. So, stakeholder from the business perspective, for example, business managers, finance managers, budget owners, and strategy stakeholders can use the AWS CAF to create a strong business case for cloud adoption and prioritize cloud adoption initiatives. Stakeholders should ensure that an organization's business strategies and goals align with its IT strategies and goals. Next is for the people perspective. So stakeholder from the people perspective, for example, human resources, staffing, and people managers can use the AWS CAF to evaluate organizational structure and roles, new skill and process requirement, and identify gaps. Performing an analysis of needs and gaps can help prioritize training, staffing, and organizational change to build an agile organization. So next is the governance perspective. Stakeholder from the governance perspective, for example, the Chief Information Officer or CIO, program managers, enterprise architects, business analysts, and portfolio managers can use the AWS CAF to focus on the skills and processes that are needed to align IT strategy and goals with business strategy and goals. This focus helps the organization maximize the business value of its IT investment and minimize the business risk. Next is the platform perspective. Yeah. So platform perspective, stakeholder from the platform perspective is, for example, the Chief Technology Officer or CTO, IT managers, and solution architects use a variety of architectural dimensions and models to understand and communicate the nature of IT systems and their relationships. They must be able to describe the architecture of the target state environment in detail. The AWS CAF includes principles and patterns for implementing new solutions on the cloud and for migrating on-premises workloads to the cloud. And next is the security perspective. Stakeholder from the security perspective, for example, the Chief Information Security Officer or CISO, IT security managers, and IT security analysts must ensure that the organization meets security objectives for visibility, auditability, control, and agility. Security perspective stakeholder can use the AWS CAF to structure the selection and implementation of security controls that meet the organization needs. And last is the operation perspective. So, the stakeholder from the operation perspective, for example, IT operations managers and IT support managers, define how day to day, quarter to quarter, and year to year business is conducted. Stakeholders from the operation perspective align with and support the operation of the business. The AWS CAF helps these stakeholders define current operating procedures. It also helps them identify the process change and training that are needed to implement successful cloud adoption. Maybe that's it for this video for explaining about the moving to the AWS cloud. Hope you like and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.